Good day, Globetrotters and adventurous. Welcome to Top Places, your ultimate guide to the world's most stunning destinations. Our mission is to bring you valuable insights showcasing the world's best travel destinations, from bustling cities to serene hideaways. With a diverse range of content, we aim to inspire and guide your next adventure. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore, there's something here for everyone. Today, we take you on a virtual tour of the enchanting city of Paris, the city of lights, love, and limitless beauty. No trip to Paris would be complete without a visit to the iconic Eiffel Tower. An emblem of Paris, the Eiffel Tower, carries a rich history that dates back to the late 19th century. Conceived as the centerpiece for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a world fair marking the centennial celebration of the French Revolution, the Eiffel Tower was initially met with criticism. Yet, over time, it has evolved into an enduring symbol of French ingenuity and elegance. Constructed from iron by Gustave Eiffel and his team, the tower stands as a testament to architectural prowess. Soaring to an impressive height of over 300 meters, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world until the completion of New York's Chrysler Building in 1930. But the Eiffel Tower is more than just an architectural marvel. It's a space teeming with experiences. Ascend its heights and you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the City of Lights. From its observation decks, you can feast your eyes on a panoramic vista that stretches as far as the eye can see. There's also an array of activities for visitors. Enjoy a meal in one of its restaurants, explore its historical exhibits, or simply bask in the beauty of the Parisian skyline from its lofty heights. Whether it's day or night, the Eiffel Tower never fails to captivate with its mesmerizing views and timeless charm. Next on our list is the Louvre Museum, the world's largest and most visited art museum. A veritable treasure trove of art and culture, the Louvre's collection is so vast that it would take over 100 days to view every piece if you spent just 30 seconds on each. This mammoth collection spans from the birth of ancient civilizations right up to the mid-19th century. Among the museum's most prized possessions are iconic works of art like Leonardo da Vinci's enigmatic Mona Lisa, with her inscrutable smile that has intrigued art lovers for centuries. Then there is the Venus de Milo, an ancient Greek statue that embodies the ideals of classical beauty. But the Louvre is more than just its collection. Its history is as intriguing as the art it houses. Originally built as a fortress in the 12th century, the Louvre has morphed over the centuries, serving as a royal palace before becoming the public museum we know today. And let's not forget the Louvre's iconic glass pyramid entrance. Designed by Chinese-American architect I.M. Pei in the late 20th century, this modern structure juxtaposed against the classical architecture of the Louvre Palace is a sight to behold, symbolizing the museum's journey through time. With its unparalleled collection and rich history, the Louvre Museum is a feast for the eyes and the soul. Our final stop is Montmartre, the Bohemian heart of Paris, crowned by the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Montmartre is an enchanting hilltop neighborhood, steeped in artistic heritage. It's been a muse to countless artists from Salvador Dali to Pablo Picasso, who found inspiration in its winding cobblestone streets, its charming old-world houses, and its bustling squares brimming with painters and caricaturists. The streets of Montmartre hum with life day and night. During the day, you'll find lively cafes filled with patrons sipping espresso and enjoying fresh pastries. As the sun sets, the neighborhood transforms into a cabaret hub, with the famous Moulin Rouge leading the way in dazzling entertainment. Perched atop the highest point in the city, the Sacré-Cœur Basilica is a dazzling white monument, its Roman Byzantine architecture a testament to the artistic and architectural prowess of the late 19th century. Its interior is just as impressive, adorned with the largest mosaic in France depicting Christ with outstretched arms. The steps of the basilica offer a panoramic view of Paris that is simply breathtaking. From here you can see the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and the Seine River, all bathed in the soft golden light of the setting sun. It's a sight to behold, a moment to cherish. Montmartre and the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, with their blend of artistic flair and spiritual tranquility, offer a unique Parisian experience. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the magical city of Paris. We've seen the towering majesty of the Eiffel Tower, the vast collection of art and history at the Louvre Museum, and experience the Bohemian charm of Montmartre, crowned by the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Each of these places holds a piece of Paris's heart, a heart that beats with a rhythm of history, culture, and joie de vivre. But remember, Paris is not just about these landmarks. There's so much more to explore, from the quaint bookshops along the Seine to the vibrant street markets of Belleville. Each neighborhood, each street corner, each cafe tells a story. Our channel, Top Places, is your gateway to these stories. We have a plethora of other travel guides that will help you navigate not just Paris, but cities around the globe. Don't forget to subscribe to Top Places for more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.